Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The best portable outdoor bar is probably one of the most versatile and exciting additions you can make to your outdoor entertaining arsenal, transforming any backyard gathering, camping trip, or beach party into a sophisticated and fun-filled event with minimal effort and maximum impact, ensuring that your guests are always impressed and well catered for, no matter where your adventures take you. Number 5. Keter Outdoor Rolling Table Cart. Transform your patio, deck, or backyard into a stylish entertaining space. This versatile cart offers ample storage for all your drinks, snacks, and bar essentials, making hosting a breeze. With its generous XL size, this rolling cart provides ample space for all kinds of food, beverages, and accessories. You'll have plenty of room for everything you need for your gathering. Moving it around is a breeze thanks to its built-in rolling wheels and convenient push-handle design. Effortlessly transport it from poolside to patio, or wherever your guests are. Constructed from tough, all-weather polypropylene material with a stainless steel top, it's built for long-lasting use and easy maintenance. It's ideal for any outdoor environment. Keter is dedicated to providing high-quality, durable, and stylish solutions for your home. Make every day better with furniture that elevates your outdoor living. What we like. This cart offers generous storage for all your party needs, making it easy to keep drinks, snacks, and essentials organized. Its durable, all-weather construction ensures it can withstand the elements for years of use. If you're looking for a versatile and robust solution to elevate your outdoor entertaining, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. All the parts were in the box, everything was labeled, all the parts fit together as indicated. There were no needed amendments and no head-scratching figuring out a hieroglyph. Assembly was very easy and the instructions were clear. It took about 20 minutes to assemble. It is incredibly sturdy, featuring a solid stainless steel top that adds a touch of elegance to our outdoor space. Number 4. SereneLife Portable Hand Washing Station. Introducing the SereneLife Portable Hand Washing Station, your ultimate solution for hygiene on the go. It provides over 100 hand washes per fill, ensuring you stay clean wherever you are. With a generous 5-gallon fresh water capacity, this unit ensures you have plenty of water for all your needs. It's perfect for outdoor events, camping trips, and busy work sites. Enjoy hygienic, hands-free operation with the convenient foot pump. Each step dispenses 180 milliliters of water, providing a safe and contact-free handwashing experience. This station includes a built-in 3-liter soap dispenser and a handy towel holder. Everything you need for efficient handwashing is right at your fingertips. Designed for ultimate convenience, it's compact and lightweight with a built-in carry handle. Easily transported to any outdoor location, from camping sites to work sites. Setting it up is a breeze, requiring minimal tools for quick assembly. Plus, the included drainage hose makes water disposal simple, ensuring hassle-free use and cleanup. What we like. This station provides a hygienic, hands-free handwashing experience with its convenient foot pump. It's designed for ultimate convenience, ensuring you have soap and water readily available wherever you go. If you need a reliable and sanitary handwashing solution for outdoor events, camping, or work sites, this is the perfect fit. What people say. The sink's rugged construction make it a reliable choice for both indoor use and outdoor adventures. It's a testament to the quality and user-friendly design. It's easy to put together, easy to use, and has a convenient towel holder. We like that it has a tall faucet and fits in a small area. Assembled fast in 3 minutes, no expertise needed. Very sturdy and even comes with a bag to store the items conveniently. Number 3. Keter Unity Grill Prep Table and Serving Cart. Introducing the ultimate outdoor prep station. It's designed to store all your grilling accessories and party essentials, featuring a durable stainless steel top and convenient rolling wheels. Keep your essentials organized with its spacious 40-gallon interior. It's perfect for storing napkins, plates, drinks, and anything else you need for your gathering. This cart makes everything easily accessible. It includes sidebars for paper towels, hook holders, S-hooks, a spice rack, and a bottle opener, keeping your tools within reach. Crafted from weather-resistant resin with a beautiful wood-like texture, it's built to withstand the elements. You won't have to worry about rusting, peeling, or denting. For over 75 years, Keter has been creating innovative products inspired by how you live. We design lifestyle solutions to make your day-to-day life better, both inside and outside your home. What we like. This unit is the ultimate outdoor prep station, designed to keep all your grilling tools and party items within easy reach. With its spacious 40-gallon storage and convenient accessories like sidebars and a spice rack, it streamlines your cooking and serving process. If you're a grill master or host who loves to be prepared, this cart will be your new best friend. What people say. The cabinet is sturdy and well made, and it looks good out on my balcony. It's sturdy, easy to move, and stores all my barbecue essentials, including pellets. A great combo of workspace and storage. The stainless steel top looks nice and is fantastic for extra prep when grilling. Love having the paper towel roll mounted on this for easy cleanup. I'm able to hang grilling utensils from the hooks that were included with the cart. Now my tongs and grill brush have a permanent home. Number 2. GoBar Portable Bar Table. Introducing the GoBar Portable Bar Table, the ultimate pop-up bartending station. It's designed to elevate any event, whether casual or formal, with its sleek and functional design. Customize your bar's look with 3 included skirts: black, football, and tiki. They easily attach and detach, allowing you to match the theme of any occasion. This foldable bar table is incredibly easy to set up, transforming your space in less than a minute. Its compact design makes it perfect for quick deployment. Use it anywhere you need a stylish serving station. It's ideal for parties, corporate events, backyard gatherings, or even trade show presentations. Crafted with a heavy-duty aluminum frame, it's both stable and lightweight, weighing only 12 pounds. The water-resistant MDF surface ensures durability. Keep your supplies neatly tucked away on the hidden secondary storage shelf. This feature helps maximize table space and maintain a professional appearance. When the event is over, it folds down neatly into the included carrying case. This makes transportation and storage incredibly convenient. What we like. This portable bar table is incredibly versatile, offering interchangeable skirts to match any event's theme. It sets up in less than a minute, making it ideal for spontaneous gatherings or professional bartending gigs. If you need a stylish, easy-to-transport bar that can adapt to various occasions, this is the one for you. What people say. Update July 2015, I'm changing my review from 1 star to 5 stars and updating my review. It is now July 2015, and ever since I got a rubber mallet to tab the hinges closed, I have had 0 issues with opening and folding this bar. I take this bar tailgating, to pool parties, birthday parties in the backyard. It's great. Love this table. Great for any quick setup event you may have. The shelf under the table is a lifesaver and highly used. This mobile bar at first seems too light and not well constructed. However, after having used it for 2 graduation parties, it does exactly what it is meant to do. It is lightweight and portable. Number 1. Keter GoBar Portable Cooler Table. Introducing the Keter GoBar, the ultimate portable cooler and table for all your outdoor adventures. It's designed to keep your drinks chilled and provide a convenient surface wherever you go. With its innovative pop-up top, this cooler easily transforms into a stylish cocktail table. Simply lift the lid, and it rises 10 inches, offering a perfect spot for drinks and snacks. Don't let its compact size fool you. Inside, it boasts ample hidden storage, capable of holding up to 15 12-ounce cans along with ice, ensuring your beverages stay refreshingly cold. Its sleek, contemporary design makes it a perfect addition to any picnic or beach outing. Plus, the oversized carrying handle makes it incredibly portable, so you can take the fun anywhere. Crafted from durable, UV-protected, and weatherproof resin, it's built to withstand the elements. Enjoy its versatility as a patio side table, picnic table, drink cooler, or raised beach table. Whether you're heading to the patio, a picnic, or the beach, this versatile item is your go-to accessory. It combines functionality and style for an enhanced outdoor experience. What we like. This product cleverly combines a cooler with a pop-up table, keeping your drinks chilled while providing a convenient surface. Its sleek design and portability make it perfect for any outdoor setting, from picnics to beach days. If you enjoy relaxing outdoors with cold beverages and need a multifunctional accessory, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The bar is very sturdy and well built, with a solid frame that can hold a lot of weight. It's incredibly easy to set up and take down, which is perfect for spontaneous gatherings or moving between locations. The multiple shelves and compartments provide ample storage for drinks, ice, and barware, keeping everything organized and accessible. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.